Imagine for a moment that everyone on Earth has vanished. No friends to text, no enemies to argue with, no barista to make your coffee, just you. At first, you might feel a sense of relief. No social pressure, no noise. Just pure, unadulterated peace. But how long does that peace last? A day? A week? According to neuroscience, the clock is ticking faster than you think. Because while you might feel like an independent individual, your brain disagrees. To your brain, social connection isn't just a hobby. It's a biological baseline. And when you pull the plug on that connection, your biology doesn't just get sad. It begins to self-destruct. Evolutionarily speaking, a lone human was a dead human. For our ancestors, separation from the tribe meant you were about to be eaten. So your body has developed a chemical alarm system for isolation. We call this loneliness. When you are isolated, your brain enters a state of hypervigilance. Your body floods with cortisol, the stress hormone. You aren't just bored. You are biologically bracing for an attack. Sleep becomes fragmented. Your blood pressure rises. Your immune system creates inflammation to prepare for wounds you haven't received yet. Even if you are sitting safely on a couch, your brain is treating your isolation like a physical battlefield. But if the isolation persists, if days turn into months, the damage moves from chemical to structural. We look to the hippocampus, the region responsible for learning, memory, and spatial navigation. It turns out, navigating a social conversation is one of the most complex things your brain does. Reading facial expressions, decoding tone, remembering history, this is a high-intensity workout for your neurons. Without this workout, the brain gets efficient. It thinks, we aren't using these pathways? Let's dismantle them to save energy. Studies on isolated mice and data from Antarctic researchers show that the hippocampus physically shrinks. You essentially lose the RAM of your brain. You start to lose your grip on time. You struggle to form new memories. You are quite literally losing your mind. Then something even stranger happens. If the world won't give you social input, your brain will invent it. This is why prisoners in solitary confinement or shipwreck survivors often report hallucinations. Your brain is a prediction machine. It is desperate to find patterns, specifically human patterns. When there is nothing but silence, the brain turns up the volume on your internal thoughts until they sound like external voices. It projects faces onto shadows. It creates a Wilson to talk to because a hallucinated friend is better than no friend at all. We often idealize the rugged individual, the hermit in the woods, the lone wolf. But neuroscience tells a different story. We are an obligatory gregarious species. Just as you need food for calories and water for hydration, you need contact for regulation. Your neurons, your stress levels, and even the structure of your mind depend on the people around you. We do not exist in a vacuum. We exist in a network. So the next time you feel lonely, don't dismiss it as just a feeling. Treat it like hunger. It's your brain's way of telling you that it is starving for the one thing it cannot survive without, each other.